10 Anti-scar foods after tummy tuck. After a tummy tuck, proper nutrition helps the body heal smoothly and reduce scarring. Certain foods contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support tissue repair and promote healthy skin regeneration. Including these anti-scar foods after tummy tuck surgery can make recovery more effective and help scars fade faster. 1. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and strengthens new tissue, helping scars heal faster. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with vitamin K and antioxidants that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation during recovery. 3. Berries, blueberries and strawberries are full of antioxidants that protect skin cells and support faster tissue repair for smoother healing. 4. Salmon, salmon's omega-3 fatty acids fight inflammation and keep skin elastic, preventing thick or raised scars. 5. Eggs, eggs are high in protein and zinc, two nutrients that repair skin tissue and improve wound healing after surgery. 6. Tomatoes, tomatoes contain lycopene, a natural compound that protects the skin from sun damage and helps scars appear lighter over time. 7. Nuts and seeds, almonds and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of vitamin E, which keeps skin soft and reduces the appearance of scars. 8. Avocados, avocados offer healthy fats and vitamins C and D, both essential for collagen formation and skin hydration. 9. Bone broth, bone broth is rich in collagen-building amino acids that strengthen connective tissue and promote smoother skin recovery. 10. Green tea, green tea provides antioxidants that calm inflammation and encourage healthy skin regeneration during healing. Eating anti-scar foods after tummy tuck surgery can significantly enhance recovery and minimize scarring. A balanced diet filled with vitamin-rich fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats supports the body's natural healing process. Combined with proper aftercare, these foods help you achieve a smoother, healthier post-surgery result. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.